Hello everyone, I'm Chef Mike and today I'm gonna teach you the amazing dish with steamed cod, salsify, poached pear and walnuts foam. So take a seat and let's start it. And before we start the recipe guys, I'm so excited to let you know I just started my Patreon page. I'm gonna keep sharing there bonus content like more plating options, behind the scenes, live stream, bloopers, Q&A and much more. So I totally recommend you check it out. I'm gonna leave link in the description down below. And now let's start with the dish.
First, we start with the salsify. In one pan, I'm gonna mix water and milk half by half and season it with salt. In second one, I mix water, white wine vinegar, garlic, bay leaf, salt and sugar. Basically, you wanna do sort of pickle, but more sweet and less sour. Then, I peel my salsify. Now, I cut the sides out and keep nice piece for my garnish and the rest I chop for the puree. Then I put whole piece inside the pickle and the chopped part is coming inside the milk. And let them to cook. Now it's time to prepare poached pear. So I squeeze one lemon and mix it with water, turmeric, salt and sugar and bring it to boil. In the meantime, peel the pear and cut into the quarters. And if you like today's recipe guys, give it thumbs up and let me know in the comment what you would like to see more on my channel so I can make for you next time. Then put them in and on low heat around 80 degrees Celsius cook it until the pear is soft. Now I'm gonna do fast parmesan crust. I mix panko breadcrumb and grated parmesan. For 3 parts of panko, use 1 part of parmesan. Season it with black pepper and put on baking paper inside the oven for 180 degrees Celsius until you get nice brown color. My salsify is soft, so I take it out from the milk and put it inside the blender with a little bit of double cream and mix it until you get nice puree. Then you just pass it through the chinois, check the seasoning, and salsify puree is done. For my walnuts foam, I'm gonna roast some walnuts inside the oven for 180 degrees Celsius around 5 minutes. And then mix them with some milk, salt and pepper and bring them to boil. Then I mixed everything a little bit with the machine, pass it through the sieve and walnuts foam is ready to go. Now, my salsify is already cooked as well, so I just dry it a little bit, cut it in half and roast it in the pan. On medium heat, I roast the salsify until I get nice color. And now it's time for our COD. I'm gonna season it properly and put it inside my steamer for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on size of your fish and power of your steamer. Last thing, I finish my pears. I'm gonna cut the middle part and the sides out. Fish is beautifully cooked, so I just take it out from the steamer, put the parmesan crust on the top and we are ready to go. So this is gonna be my first plating option. I'm gonna do another two on my Patreon page, so I recommend you check it out if you wanna learn more plating tips. I start with my steamed cod in the middle, then a few pieces of salsify, pears poached in turmeric, white salsify puree, red axamite flowers, and finish it with amazing walnuts foam. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. If you like it, give it thumbs up, and if you wanna see more of my cooking videos, check out my Instagram. I got all the links in the description down below. And if you're not subscriber, hit the subscribe button so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon.